Kaka-doom scroll ko kagabi. My algorithm has been sending me all the Dubai Chewy chocolate video. It's a Monday morning. Nakakita ako ng nagtitinda dito sa Toronto. So I made a last minute order and had it Ubered to my address. I got it. So this is what it looks like. Okay, let's try this. Pagdating ko muna. My God. Crunchy. Para siyang truffle, pero may laman sa loob na pistachio. One more. Medyo manipis yung mallow. May iba kasi ako nakikita na very thick yung mallow, so very mochi yung texture. But this is medyo manipis, which is still fine. But I would wanna try yung makapal. Feeling ko mas masarap yung chewiness niya. But it's good. Sarap. We're gonna have to make this weekend. I will have to try.